Good morning, children. Today we will do exercise 2.6, question number 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 by using crisscross method of simple equation, solving equation. Now, in this equation, question number 1, 8x minus 3 by 3x is equal to 2. So, we can consider it as 2 by 1. So you have to multiply in this way. So you can cross multiplication in this way. So 1 into 8x minus 1, 8x minus 3, you will multiply by 1, 8x minus 3 equal to 2 into 3x, it is 6x. You can write directly also 6x. 2 3s are 6, 6x. Now transposing 8x minus 6x, and the constant number you are shifting from left side to right side, it is 3. Now this number is 8x minus 6x, it is 2x is equal to 3. Therefore x is equal to 3 by 2. Understood? Next question is question number 2. Question number 2, it is 9x by 7 minus 6x is equal to 15. Similarly, you can consider 1 here. So in this sum, 9x, you can multiply 9x into 1, that is 9x, equal to 15 into 7 minus 6x, that is 9x, equal to 15 into 7, 105, minus 15 6 are 90x. So transposing, 9x plus 90x is equal to 105. Now 99x is equal to 105. Therefore x is equal to, or next line, x is equal to 105 by 99. Now you can cancel both the number by 3, because think about the divisibility rule. 1 plus 5 6, you can divide it by 3. 99 obviously you can divide it by 3. So 99 divided by 3, 33. It is 3 3s are 9, 3 5s are 15. Therefore x is equal to 35 by 33. Now in question number 4, 3y plus 4 by 2 minus 6y equal to minus 2 by 5. Now here again the cross multiplication you will do, this one to this one and this one to this one. So 5 into 3y plus 4 equal to minus 2 into 2 minus 6y. This to this and this to this. Now 5 into 3y, 15y plus 20. 5 4s are 20 equal to minus 4 plus 12y. Now 15y and this one if you take here, then 15y, if you shift 12y from right to left, it will be minus 12y equal to minus 4, and this plus 20 you will shift to the right side, so minus 20. Result is 3y equal to minus 24, or y is equal to minus 24 by 3 equal to, if you cancel it you will get 8. Therefore y is equal to minus 8. Come to the next question. Now question number 5. This is 7y plus 4 by y plus 2 equal to minus 4 by 3. Again cross multiplication, do this one only. 3 into 7y plus 4 equal to minus 4 into y plus 2. Multiply 3 into 7, 21y plus 3 4s are 12. Equal to minus 4 into y minus 4y minus plus minus 4 2s are 8. Next 21y and this 4y will shift here. 21y plus 4y equal to minus 8. This 12 will shift in the right side with opposite sign. So it was plus, now it is minus. 25y, add this 2, equal to minus 20. Therefore y is equal to minus 20 by 25. Cancel it. 5 4s are 5 5s are. Therefore y is equal to minus 4 by 5. Understood? You need to practice all these sums. Thank you, students.